Time for another unboxing video. Just got a new pair of pants from American Jean Company in Arcanum, Ohio. US made. Open this up. Just got them in the mail. Well, no way to hold the camera, is there? So, hang on. Our all American clothing. These are made out of a canvas. Wanted to try out the canvas. I have these. These are literally like 3 years old, and I've worn them for work 5 days a week pretty much for the last 3 years straight. So I wonder if these will last as long. Hopefully they don't rub me raw because of the rougher fabric in the canvas. It is a fairly soft fabric though. Not too bad, almost like a corduroy. Well, here we go. I'll try them out. Hopefully they last just as long, if not longer. Had another pair of pants that were a rougher type of twill fabric, but they rubbed the wrong way, if you get my drift, and they caused my skin to get irritated, so I had to wear shorts underneath, or base layer pants during the winter, and basically they rubbed themselves apart in less than a year. So hopefully these last longer. Well, ciao. Oh, these are American made, by the way, as you can see. And if you ever get a chance, check out the plant down in Arcanum, Ohio. It's like going back 50 years, quite literally. Still has a couple cobblestone streets and a soda fountain. It's just a little farming community in Ohio. But it's a neat little place. Ciao.